Wow.
This is where I prepare.
This is the these are the angels. Wow. Hello dear. Good afternoon. Wow. I can see you're walking.
Yes.
Mommy's angel. Man, this is the kind of kid I would like to have. Yeah.
This is granules.
Wow. You plant granite also.
Yes.
Hey. Man. Wait. You bet this thing just for the digital leaf washing.
Yes.
Wow. This is a big business, so.
Just for bitter leaf washing.
Mm.
And if you can see, after building it, I build it with money.
Yes.
Even with the cement. This is my host, our host. We even have face mask when we are in COVID.
Man.
This is host.
Okay. For your legs.
For legs.
Okay.
See boots. So after building this thing, I want everybody to please keep off. I wrote it here.
Okay.
So I don't need everybody to come here and start destroying my
Property.
property. Please keep off. It's personal use.
Please. Keep off.
Keep off, please.
Wow. Man, you take this business so serious. So.
Very serious, more than
Take it
serious.
so serious. So how long does it take to wash this bitter leaf now for use?
About 45 minutes.
Hi. So you within this for 45 minutes?
Yeah.
Man, it is not really easy.
It's not easy.
Aye!
Oh, good.
That is just a fly. Odudu in our local dialect. Odudu, that is just a fly. Aye!
It's a challenge, so.
It's a challenge too. It's a challenge too. Okay, that is red oil. Okay. What's the function? Okay, to help reduce the foam. Okay. From this farming now, she sees her kids through school. Some are already in secondary school. You have a large expense of land here.
It's large anyway because I can't control it all alone.
Okay, you have workers.
Before I have workers, but you know, there's economic meltdown.
Okay.
So ups and downs everywhere. So
Wow.
I just decided to be doing it on my all alone with my kids.
Okay, with your kids.
Once they're in holidays,
Okay.
they will come around and help me.
Okay, you said you graduated in the year 2014 from the Department of Business Administration.
No, I graduated in the year 2010.
Wow, 2010.
So,
okay.
You know, once you graduated, you must carry file along. After carrying file along, you just decide on what to do.
Okay.
So I just decided self-entrepreneurship, self-employed business, and I like farming. Happy fender.
Okay.
Yes,
okay, so because I was about to ask what inspired you to go into farming, leaving other businesses, but you just said you like farming.
I like farming.
Okay.
Right from day one because when I am with my grandmother.
Okay.
So I learned a lot from farming, and I can say that once you're a farmer, you don't have anything to do with hungry. And I see my plantain. If I don't have anything at home now.
Wow. Okay, you have so many things you planted there.
Now I have many things, even purpose. See purpose. See plantain. See this one now.
Yes.
This one is about to come. This one is about to come. If you go down there are many. If you go down there, see corns, everything. I have varieties.
Okay. Well, okay. So can I see on close shots what you have in your farm?
At least I have small market.
Okay.
You can patronize me. I have a scent leaf. This is
Nchuanwu.
scent leaves, yeah.
Okay.
And I have a lot. It's one that full all over this place.
Okay.
So this
Scent
is
leaf.
green.
Okay, green.
This is green, yeah.
Oh, wow.
This is water leaf.
Quite healthy. Oh.
It's water leaf that full this bag.
Wow.
It's water leaf.
Wow.
100 naira if you can buy.
100. No, I'll buy now. I'll buy.
This is 1,000.
Okay.
1,000.
Otaze in our local dialect, right?
And
Otaze.
the
Okay.
I stay in the farm is that if they request, it's my customer that request all these ones.
Okay, you have already standby
I'm
markets.
supplying, I'm not selling.
Okay, you're a supplier.
Yes.
Wow. Man, this is a big enterprise. Oh.
Yes.
And I
No,
can
don't
see pepper
sell.
too.
I just supply and go my
Wait.
house. Yes.
Wow, that's good. And this one is pepper too.
This one is paper. I plug it now.
Okay, you
And I
have
have
pepper.
make a lot 1,000 naira.
Here, just now.
Now. From
Wow.
curry and St. Leaf, I have make some money.
And I want to ask again,
Yeah.
what are the challenges you face? Because coming here, it is not motorable. So I can say that one is one challenge I know now. So what
that
other
one
challenges?
is the major challenge.
No,
You
not
don't have
motor.
access road.
Hi.
It's not motorable. Even if you have a machine, you cannot come along with it because there is no road. Then secondly, human challenges. We are facing thieves.
Thieves.
Now they are coming after we go. They will come, some will cut your plantain.
Hi.
Some will your pawpaw. They will plug your pawpaw. They will plug everything they want, but not steady. So animal challenges is a monkey.
Monkey.
Whenever, even if sometimes now you will stay here and you'll be seeing them jumping from one tree to another. Then when you go, they will say bye bye.
And
Come on their own.
invade the farm.
You can see my corn now, how I covered the corn.
Okay.
It's because of the
Monkeys.
animal challenges.
Hey.
See how I cover, I cover everything.
Yes.
If you don't cover it like this, before tomorrow, they will come job everywhere, scatter.
Hi.
So,
Oh, wow.
that's
Now, this land now, did you acquire this land? Or
no, I didn't. It's not a personal land. It's a community land.
okay, community land.
So you can come along and cultivate as much as you can. The land belongs to the community. It's not a one-person land.
In a day now, like how much do you make?
Wow. Do you really want to know my pocket?
Like average.
Average. Anyway, I can make something like 2,000.
Okay.
Average, because I will not, business is secret now.
Okay. Because
And I don't need accountant.
okay, 2,000 naira, but you said you are a supplier. Hey, you don't drive me now, no. Well, as you said, it's a secret something.
Yes,
you cannot just come and divulge your pocket. Okay. So now we have so many youths out there seeking for job. Non-existing job.
Non-existing job.
I tell you.
White man collar job.
White collar job. So what do you have to tell that youth now?
Just a piece of advice for them is, number one, let them go and be engaged in something that called self-entrepreneurship. It's not most that you come along and start farming with us.
Okay.
There are so many things to do. Even if not vegetable farming. Me, I still have a cassava.
Wow.
Up there.
Hey.
So you can engage in one thing or the other, even if not as large as this one, even if it is only just plantain plantation. See, this is plantain and they are coming. See them. This side too, this side. They are coming. if they can be able to, even if not rely on vegetables, can enter into what does it call? Plantation.
Okay.
Just put it, and you'll be looking after it and doing another thing altogether.
We are on rainy season now. Now, during the time of dry season, how do you manage it?
I used to manage it because that time we are spreading water.
Okay.
With engine.
Okay.
Pumping machine.
Okay, you have it here.
I have it here.
Wow. Wow.
Pumping machine. There is a river
down
that
there.
side. So
Okay.
we will fill pipe that side. Then water will be coming up.
Okay, you said you are a supplier.
Yes.
Now, if someone in Lagos wants something, can you supply it?
I used to do that.
You used to do that?
Yes.
Like,
you just do webbing. Even if it's already made or no, I'll just plug it. Then I'll wash it. Package it. I'll go to motor park and
web it.
Do it web.
Wow. Okay. In case someone will need it, this is East Point TV. In case you want bitter leaf in large quantity, you want scent leaf, you want pepper, anything vegetable you want, someone is here to help you to eat. Please, can we have your phone number in case someone wants to call you for that?
080
080
081
081
37
37
21
21
51
51
18.
18. So this is the bitter leaf session. The Onubu session. Stretches over down there. Still bitter leaf session. Still the bitter leaf session. Okay, this is the scent leaf. The scent leaf session. This is the scent leaf session. This is scent leaf session. As you can see, she can do the supply for you. Yeah.
Wome, omekwekwe, wome, omekwekwe, mbaije nife, omekwekwe, mbaije adife, omekwekwe, mbaije adike, omekwekwe, wome, omekwekwe. Umigbo n'ome, leki nwobele digba mebidokwe, onye ọbụla pụta ọgbọ. No mekwekwe, ịmalụke na dị pụta ọgbọ. No mekwekwe, maka ịnọlụtebe ife ụwa.
Here we have the bitter leaf ready for use, neatly washed. Have you tasted bitter leaf soup before? Very delicious. It is one soup you will like pretty well. We are about to enter the kitchen to prepare your favorite soup, Onubu soup, bitter leaf soup. Yes, so this is East Point TV, your favorite TV. Thank you and remain blessed.